Change is inherent to design, and as design complexity grows, so does the need to clearly communicate and coordinate design changes. Cloud Services provides an out-of-the-box solution for managing change that will keep your whole team organized. Change actions allow only the assigned people to have access to making the design change, while approval templates ensure everyone involved can review and sign off on the changes that rarely have an isolated impact. By accessing the change assessment, you gain valuable insight into what other items also need to be included. When you're ready, you can transition the change to an in-work status to notify those involved. It also enables the appropriate permissions associated with the change, allowing the assignees to work under the change action, right from SOLIDWORKS. Once the changes are complete, there's no need to send out emails to gather approvals. Notifications are automatically sent, and decisions are captured, creating full traceability. Bring clarity and efficiency to your change process. Take advantage of cloud services available with new and upgraded SOLIDWORKS subscriptions.